Hi, I'm a neuroscientist. My name's Ian, and I'll tell you about my research today. Actually, I'll tell you about the most controversial part first, which is that I work with animals. I do my experiments in laboratory mice. And the reason why I work with mice is because they're quite like us. They have 4 paws that they use like hands to grab objects and interact with the world around them. And when they do, sensors in their hands collect information about the world and send it through nerves up the spine and into the brain. And the brain is constantly answering questions about the world and the body, like, what is the body touching? Where is the body? And a really spooky one, what is the body? So this one's really weird. You'd think, my right hand is my right hand, my left hand is my left hand, I'm never going to get that wrong. But actually I'll give you 3 examples that kind of change how we think about it. And so, the first example is that if you were to lose part of your body, you might feel things in limbs that are missing. You might feel pain. That's called the phantom limb sensation or phantom pain. And it has to do with the second example, which is that when we give patients with missing limbs a prosthetic, nowadays we can almost achieve a sense that the limb is theirs by replicating the sensations they might get on the artificial limb. And so the third example is one that you can try yourself at home, and that's called the rubber hand illusion, where if you touch a fake hand in the same way as you might be touching your real hand, you can trick the brain into thinking the fake hand is part of the body and is your real hand. And so something that might happen to the fake hand, ouch, you might feel as though it's happening to you. And so these 3 examples really show us that our sense of physical self and our understanding of our body is really flexible. And this is really important when you think about embodiment theory, that all of our understanding of the world, because we measure the world through our body, has to do with our body. So to answer the question of who are we and how do we understand the world, we have to answer the question first of how is the information from the body, goes up to the nerves, to the spine, and to the brain, put together. The best way to do that is still with laboratory mice. So thank you for listening, and thank you to the mice.